How to fix music fail to play tracks error on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search music app from here. And click on storage. Click on clear cache. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.